Good afternoon to you all. This video today is we're going to talk about our well water. We do have a well. We have a lot of sediment that goes through our well. Springtime, it seems to be a little bit worse than any time else. Well, wintertime and springtime. You know, when the water starts flowing, I get a lot of sediment. So what we have here is we have the line that comes in off the well, comes here, goes into the pressure tank, goes through, this is the hose bib in front of the filter system, comes up. I can shut that valve off, open that valve, and make the water go around without going through the filter system. But right now, so we have going up into this filter. So it goes in here into a T. This is all 1-inch pipe here. Goes into this T. This line comes across, comes back, and goes to the house. So this line is, we'll call this line 1, and this is line 2. Basically, they're identical. So this is filter 1, filter 2, filter 3. So basically, it tees off, comes up. Have a shut-off valve there. Goes to this filter. Water also comes into this filter. So basically, the reason I did this the way I did with the 2 here is so I can get the max flow in the house without, being restricted. So somebody's in the shower or somebody's taking, let's say the dishes are getting washed or whatever. I have enough volume of water to run anything in the house, multiple things at a time. So filter 1 is our main sediment pickup. Filter 2 is a fine filter, and then this is our charcoal filter. I'm thinking about changing this up, moving this one over to here, and then putting in these clear RV iron water filter. They're a little bit more expensive. I don't know if they're any much better than this. This works pretty good. I've been running this for about 4 or 5 years, and it's inexpensive to build this. I think each one of these I got them on Amazon. They're probably $40, $45, something like that. Filters are pretty spendy. We buy these by the box, and those are the sediment filters. Then this is the 1 micron fine filter at the end. So what I do is I put the new filter in spot 2. I take the filter that was in here and I move it over to the number 1 filter. And that's because we get so much sediment. It'd be just a waste to change them all. So I take this one and move it to theirs. Like I just changed it. That's the filter, that's how dirty that was sitting there. And then it goes from there to the fine micron. Let me go out here and show you what I did. A couple days ago, I turned on the water to turn on the hot tub, to fill the hot tub, and I forgot about it and let it overflow. And that's what the first filter looked like. And that was on both of these. Both of these were in, both of those were in filter number 1 spot. And then so basically those filters were stopping all that sediment from actually hitting the second filter. So as you can see, that second filter is nowhere near as bad as the first filters. So anyway, I take the second filter and I move it over to here. But it's really a good system. It actually works pretty dang good, and it's, like I said, it's very affordable to do. Don't be afraid of plumbing. Just make sure you put shut-off valves in the right spots. Like I put a shut-off valve down here before I put this in. Obviously, that's in the wrong spot. It should be up above it, so I can shut off the complete water system. Right now, the way I do is I shut off that one. I shut both of these off, all these off, and it'll stop the flow. But it'd be a lot easier if I just had another shut-off valve right here above this. So this bypass would just bypass. So anyway, it goes through all that, comes out, goes through that valve, and goes to the house. Anyway, guys, pretty simple. And this is actually a hose bib on the back side of the filter system. So all this water is filtered. It comes out of this. This water is not filtered, so this could go like out to roses or something out in the yard. All right, guys, you have a great day. God bless.